In this video, I'm gonna show you just how simple it is to install a CPU. Now, let's get on to the installation of the CPU. This is by far the most scariest part of building a PC, for good reasons, but do not worry. As long as you pay attention to something, it's easy. Let's open up the socket and have a look. This is an AM5 build, meaning that the pins are located on the motherboard rather than on the chip. After opening the socket, make sure to not touch them, as they are very sensible. Look at your CPU and on the socket as well. You will notice a small triangle on both sides. The triangles need to be aligned when mounting the CPU. I cannot stress this enough. This is very important. Even though the CPU looks like it's a square, it needs to be fit correctly if you want it to work and avoid damaging those pins on the motherboard, which are not covered by the warranty, obviously. Now, take your CPU, place it carefully on the socket, no pressure needed, and make sure it fits in there. Here, I thought I should double check before closing it, and after I was sure, I pressed the handle with enough pressure to lock it. And do not be scared if it seems like too much pressure is needed. This is completely normal. The black cover should come out. Please skip it. It's needed in case of warranty claims. And voila! We have our CPU mounted on the motherboard and we are ready to move on with the next steps. Easy, right?